Hey there, in this video I'm going to discuss how to add annotations to your segmentation queries. Now we use annotations basically just to provide additional context to anyone viewing the query results who may not really understand all of the things going on behind the scenes that led to the results being what they were. Or maybe you need to label and define outliers within your results, again, just to make sure everyone viewing them understands why they occurred. So in this case, we're looking at the total number of app downloads that occurred on Petbox's app over the last 90 days on a weekly basis. And as you can see, we had a very sharp rise in the number of downloads that we were able to get over the beginning of this quarter, right? And maybe that was because of an incredibly successful marketing campaign within the App Store, and we want to attribute that to our results. So what I can do is left-click on the data where I want to begin the annotation, and I'll scroll up to where it says Add Annotation. So now when I click into Add Annotation, essentially what I will get is a pop-up form field where I will then go about filling out all of the information that I would like to be contained within my annotation. So I'll first start by naming it, and we'll say App Marketing Campaign, and we'll add a description, and we'll say moved to top of App Store. And we can see here that the campaign took place right up from September the 7th, and we'll say it ends on October the 10th. We can add categories. So you have the ability to create names for these categories within the settings menu, but if you haven't done that yet, you'll probably just see the color of the flag. So in this case, we'll say it is a marketing related event. We'll add that as our category, and then we'll click Save. And as you can see, after we click Save, nothing happens. And that's because we need to reveal our annotations, which can be done by clicking on this little flag in the top right. And when I click that, now you can see we've got this big, beautiful purple bar hovering up above our data that if I hover my cursor over, we can see what that attributes it to. And in this case, it is, again, that marketing campaign that really drove successful app downloads. Now, if you'd like to delete that, you can either come down here to where there's this little trash can icon and click that, or if you go up to your settings menu and then find annotations from that list, you can actually see a complete list of all of the annotations that exist within your data and manage them all from one place.